Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad DANISH bin ZAINI. I am from Group M4 CSC508 and today I will be present to you my inventory application, which is sneaker inventory. In this application, I will show to you how array list and linked list used in my application. In here, I have 7 class that I use for. First is array list, second is array list exception, third and linked list, node, empty list exception, sneaker inventory, and sneaker. This is how my class is linked by. Array list is linked by array list exception, linked list is linked to empty list exception and node, sneaker inventory is linked to the sneaker, array list, and linked list. First thing first, I will show to you the array list. This is how I created the class. First we have object data, length and maximum size, and I create default constructor with default value, and this is the normal constructor. And here I have 14 methods that I use. First is get max size, get number, insert and insert. At the front we have add element, get the data, set the data which is used for update, remove add which is remove data at specific location, remove the first element, the last element, and clear all the elements. We have return true, we have is full method, is empty method, and last but not least, print method to print all the values. Okay, some methods is use array list exception, which is it will return any error that has found when running the application. Next, I will show the linked list class. First thing first, I use a node class first. I create the data, and next using the object classes that I have created before. And this is default constructor, normal constructor, and node that have been created. We have set data method, set next, the object get data, and get next, and toString method. This class is important because we are creating a node that will be used for our main application. This is the linked list that I have created. We have a head, tail, and current that we are using node object. I create a default linked list which is created, but by default they have no data insert. So the head and tail and the current is everything is null. So we have is empty method, which is the head is null, to check whether the linked list is empty or not. We have a string print data to return if the list is empty or not. We have insert at front method to add new object data. Next, we have to return the number of elements in the list. We have insert at back method, get first method. Next we have get next method, which using the object classes. We have get last method, remove from front method, and remove from back method. Linked list and array list will be used in the main application, and I will explain it later. Next, we have empty list exception, which is extend runtime exception that will return the message the list is empty. This is used to some of the method in the linked list. Next, I will show to you a sneaker class that I created to store the data about sneaker. We have name, brand, size, price, and quantity object. Next, we have constructor to set all the required data. We have getters, we have setters, and we have print method. Okay, so this is my main app, sneaker inventory, which is applied to all the classes that I have created. Here I use main stock to use array list. I created for 20 items, and for linked list I use for sort log using the linked list classes. Okay, in the main application I have 10 cases that require user to get some input. We have some menu display. This is how I design my main application. First thing first, I use add sneaker. This is we are using array list to get some information, and this is how my coding works. After the user has put all the sneaker data, they have a lot of options to delete or update and display all the stock. We have a lot of features that can be used by the user. After they insert all the data work, we have display, we have search all the brand. It is using array list too. We have all the statistics. This is using sum, average, minimum, and maximum using the array list once. Okay. Next, I use a Snell sneaker. We have, in this method, I use a quantity for sneaker to sold, and this is the logic is ask user which sneaker and how many pairs to sell, and then we will deduct the quantity from the array list stock and create a new sneaker record and insert it into the linked list as a sort log entry. So this is my main app is working right now, and first I am going to insert the input of all the sneakers that I have. In here I have successfully insert 3 new items, and I will try to display all stock here. And here we have 3 items which name, brand, size, price, and quantity. Next, if I want to delete sneaker from stock, I will press number 2 and insert the one that I want to delete. Okay, it has successfully removed all the items, and I try to display it. The item that has been deleted has been removed. Let's say if I want to update Loving Opium, if I want to change just the brand, I just change the required, and I have to place all the same things again. Okay, let's display again. Okay, it has been updated. Alright, search the brand, and let's say I want to search Nike. It will require the input here, and let's say I want to look for the statistic, and here the statistic here we have sum of all the sneakers I have, the average, and we have a minimum sneaker that the list has, the maximum, and it is excluded from the one that we have deleted. Let's say I want to sell the sneaker from if the customer want to buy. Now let's say the customer want to buy 2 pairs of A Mountain. I just put 2 quantity, and the remaining stock has 8 pairs. Okay, let's look for the all stock, and look, this is the updated quantity that has been sold, and that function is using the array list move to the linked list. Okay, and let's say that I want to copy stock into the logs, into the sort log. So we have copy 2 sneakers from stock into the sort log. The stock still contains the original items. Okay, let's display all stock again, and let's display the sort log. Okay, in here I have copy. First thing first, I have the first one. This is the first one that has been sold manually by me, and the second one it is the sort log that I have been copied using the number 8 function. So that is all the function that I have applied using by array list and linked list to show to you all the data structures that I've been learning for. And that's it from me. Thank you very much.